Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my first official video for the 2024 Christmas season. I am so excited to be kicking it all off with my kitchen and dining room decor, and I think I'm going to share my Christmas decor room by room this year. I'm not sure if I'll throw in a couple decorate with me's or not, but I'm going to go ahead and share it room by room as I've completed everything and share all the details with you. So I hope that you enjoy today's video, and let's go ahead and get started. So this year my theme is An Enchanted Woodland Forest, and you'll see that I'm going with a lot of woodsy rustic elements as well as some glitter and sparkle and lots of frolicking woodland creatures. We're also going with shades of green and brown and just some really natural elements. So starting over in the dining room here, I have a simple table runner and my beautiful cement swan planter that I shared in my summer decor this year. And I kept it really simple on the rest of the table with just some small glass taper candle holders and some sage taper candles that I got from Hobby Lobby. Over here in the corner we have this little threshold Christmas tree in a basket that I got quite a few years ago, maybe 5 or 6, and I put this little guy inside of a larger basket and just added some simple star lights over there. And this little love seat over here, I just added a pretty sage green blanket as well as a deeper green pillow, and I loved how that perfectly tied into the table runner that I have on the table with the two different tones of green. So this guy on the wall is Elmer the Moose, and he's a really fun addition this year, and I got him from Kirkland's, and he does light up, and I think I will show that in footage soon of everything lit up at night. Maybe I'll be able to do a little bit of a tour with all the Christmas lights on at night. So in the kitchen, we have this permanent coffee station that I always have set up, and I just added lots of little elements of Christmas decor over here. I have a little sparkly deer that I got from Hobby Lobby several years ago. I'm sure they still have those, as well as this little Christmas tree in a basket, and that was from Bed Bath & Beyond several years ago. I love how those look. I think they're so cute, as well as a sparkly snowflake over there, and I love how it seems like the deer is peeking through the branches. I think that's so cute. We have our everyday coffee syrups over here with these labels that I got off of Etsy, and I highly recommend that shop. Over here I created a little bit of a Christmas moment with this pretty Victorian London Fog tea tin that I got last year. I just think it's such a pretty shade of green and such pretty packaging, and two little frosty birds as well as a little tree over there on that stand. And on the stove I'm burning a Tree Farm candle that is from Antique Candle Co., and it smells exactly like a Christmas tree. It's so nice. So I didn't find any Christmassy tea towels that I love, so I just went ahead and kept the ones that I have throughout the year from Target. Those are great. And this year I did invest in another Luminara tea light plug-in night light, and I wanted it to match the other one that I have over there to the left of the stove. So I'm really liking having two of those. And those are a really fun way to just cover outlets and add a little bit extra ambiance and glow to any space. So I love that. And over here in this corner, I have a little bit of a Christmas moment styled, and I think this one is my favorite one this year in the kitchen, with these little candlesticks I have. I feel like there's kind of a lot going on over here, but I also liked all the different elements, so I might simplify it throughout the season. I'm not sure, but right now I'm liking how it's looking. Just those simple candlesticks, another Christmas tree in a basket, another deer from Hobby Lobby, and this little guy we have had for so long, and we call him Gentleman because he is a gentleman penguin tipping his hat, and we think he is so cute. and he's just a really fun nostalgic element that we pull out every single year. So I loved using him over here. And this grapevine sled was a find this year from Michael's. I thought that was absolutely perfect for the vibe I was going for, and I just think it's so cute. And over on the pantry door, I have the easiest DIY wreath ever. I made this about 4 years ago, and I don't know if they have these frosted grapevine wreaths anymore, but I had gotten that from Michael's, and I got just one frosted pick from Joann's, and I tied it with another frayed velvet ribbon there, and I really just love the very simple elegance of it. Sometimes I feel like less is more, so I'm really loving that wreath, and it was literally the simplest DIY ever. Over here at our sink, I just created some really simple details with this rug from Target this year. I thought that the deep hunter green was really pretty and definitely tied in with that forest vibe that I was going for. It is really soft and really nice. And I have a little crochet lace tea towel that I got off of Etsy on the sink there, as well as just a couple of Mrs. Meyer's pine soaps. We have the dish soap and hand soap, and I kept that leaf dish over there with my dish brush because I thought that it tied in with the forest vibe, so I thought that that was a good little touch. And over here on the island, we have just a very simple mini wreath under this white dish from Pottery Barn, which I think is so simple and elegant and beautiful. And I am burning a Fraser fir candle in there. That is from Pure Integrity, I think the company is called. And I also love the pretty light sage green color. I felt like that perfectly tied in with all of my sage green elements. So that is all of the details of the kitchen and dining room. I feel like it's really fun and magical, but also kind of simple and not too much. So here's just an overview of everything all together, and I love how it all came together. So that is going to do it for today's video. I hope that it gave you some fun Christmas decorating inspiration, and today it's just the kitchen and dining room, but I definitely have many more rooms coming, so I hope that you'll subscribe if you're not already, and come back and join me for the tours of each room. And I will do a full Christmas home tour at the end when everything is done, so I'll definitely post that as well. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and have a great day.